Hello and welcome. In this YouTube, I'm out in 370 foot of bottom depth. I'm looking at the marine snow, the plankton that's moving through the water at all different depths. We're going to put the camera in and start about 15 to 20 foot below the surface. I want you to notice how yellow everything is, all the small little plankton. Some are together, some have a long tail with them. Are these eggs, this type of plankton? As I drop the camera a little bit deeper. Now remember, we're going 370 feet, 369 feet of depth before we hit the seafloor. But look how yellow everything appears to me. And I'm not quite sure, are they eggs, jellyfish, or what have you. But it takes a little bit of time to get to the 300 foot level. And I'm flying right now slow. I could speed it up somewhat so it doesn't drag and make you want to turn away and go to another channel because you're not, you're bored. But I want to make a point here that the marine snow in Puget Sound, I believe, is affecting our orca whales, our salmon population, as well as our bottom fish populations. And also, I believe it has a lot to do with our shellfish. The crabs I've seen in certain areas have been looking really healthy, but look at the amount of plankton or heavy metals or what have you is in the water here, and I've kind of speeded it up to kind of get to the bottom quicker because I don't want to bore you with what's going on here. But I feel it's important that you see firsthand the bottom of Puget Sound in 300 feet. Thank you.